morning kids, welcome to Kids RS. So today we are going to learn GK of standard 6th. So let us start with brain power. तो सभी को अपनी GK की बुक ओपन करना है and then come to chapter 8, that is small mammals. In our last class we had learned about mammals. What are mammals? Mammals are nothing but warm-blooded animals. So in mammals, they are large mammals and small mammals. So let us check with some small mammals. What we have to do today here? We have to write T for true statements and false for false statements. यानी कि जो स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट रहेगा हमें उसके सामने T लिखना है और जो स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग रहेगा हमें उसके सामने F लिखना है. Okay, so let us begin. The first one. Squirrels have cheek pouches in which they store water. Is it true or false? It is false. So you need to write F. क्योंकि स्क्यूरल्स अपने पाउच में बेबी कैरी करते हैं, स्टोर वाटर कैरी नहीं करते हैं. द सेकेंड वन. द स्मॉलेस्ट मैमल इन द वर्ल्ड बाय स्कल साइज इज किटिस हॉग नोज बैट. इज इट राइट? येस, द आंसर इज ट्रू. तो आपको टी लिखना है. द थर्ड वन. Beavers have 3 sharp teeth for gnawing. Is it right? Yes. No, it is false. तो आपको आंसर F लिखना है. The fourth one. The long spines of porcupines protect them from predators. Is it true? Yes, they protect them from predators. The last one. Bats play an important role in controlling the insects population. Is it true? Bats help करते हैं? Yes, bats help the insects to control the population. It is true. So you need to write T. And then come to the next one. We need to name these mammals. So what are these mammals? No, these are animals. So let us name these animals. Let us begin. Yes, the first one. What it is? Can anybody identify? It's a raccoon. It's a raccoon. That is RACCOON. It's a raccoon. Second one. Second one is a hare. 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 The third one is nothing but it's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. So you need to write squirrel. हम लोग बहुत देखते हैं ना ये रोड पे, जब भी हम स्कूल आते हैं तभी भी आपको दिखाई देते होंगे. तो दैट इज नोन एज योर स्क्यूरल. meerkat. MEERKAT. It's a meerkat. Then the fifth one. It's a guinea pig. It's a guinea pig. And the last one. Can anybody guess? It's none other than bat. तो ये हो गया हमारा small mammals complete. Completion of small mammals, let us learn large mammals. So what are we going to learn in large mammals today? We are going to learn fill in the blanks. यानी जो blanks empty है हमें उसे fill करना है. तो let us begin. The dash is the only largest mammal but also the largest animal in the world. जो largest mammal भी है और जो largest animal भी है. Which is that? It is blue whale. तो सभी को blue whale लिखना है. The second one. The dash is the largest animal on land. Which is the largest animal on land? Can anyone guess? It is African elephant. तो सभी को African elephant लिखना है. The third one. Dash have thick hairless skin. जिसकी स्किन बहुत थिक है यानी बहुत जाड़ी है और उसके बाल भी नहीं है, जिसकी हेयरलेस स्किन है. विच इज़ दैट? इट इज़ सी लायन. तो सभी को सी लायन लिखना है. द डैश इज द फास्टेस्ट एनिमल ऑन लैंड. विच इज़ द फास्टेस्ट एनिमल ऑन लैंड? इट इज़ चीता. तो सभी को चीता लिखना है. द फिफ्थ वन. द फास्टेस्ट मैमल इन वाटर इज द डैश. इट्स द killer whale. It's the killer whale. Dash carry their young ones in pouches. Who carries their young one in the pouches? Kangaroos carry the young ones in the pouches. The seventh one. Dash can generally run up to 60 kilometers per hour. यानी कि हॉर्स 61 किलोमीटर्स तक एक घंटे के अंदर भाग सकता है. तो वो कौन है? वो है हॉर्स. तो सभी को हॉर्स लिखना है. The eighth one. What is the eighth one? Dash are the biggest of all apes. Who are the biggest of all apes? It is the gorillas. तो सभी को gorillas लिखना है. Dash are man's closest relative. जो man के बहुत ज़्यादा closest रहते हैं, यानी कि हमारे से भी बहुत ज़्यादा closest रहते हैं. वो कौन है? वो है chimpanzees. तो हमें chimpanzees लिखना है. Dash howl to communicate with each other. It's wolves. It's wolves. Dash and Dash are endangered species. Which is that? It is rhinos and pandas. तो सबको rhinos and pandas लिखना है. Seals and Dash look similar, but seals cannot move on land using back flippers as in the case of the latter. It is sea lions. It is sea lions. The slowest animal on earth is the which one? It is tree. T-H-R-E-E. Tree. Tree. T-H-R-E-E. Tree toad sloth. Tree toad sloth. The fastest horizontally flying bird is the which bird it is? Spine-tailed swift. It is spine-tailed swift. Spine-tailed swift. तो सभी को पेज 13 कंप्लीट करना है, which we learnt about large mammals. Okay kids? And then we are going to learn about animal classification. That is our unit 10. So what is animal classification? Let us check. A carnivore is an animal that eats mainly meat. यानी कि जो एनिमल्स सिर्फ मीट खाते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? उसे कहते हैं carnivore. A herbivore is an animal that eats mainly plants and grass. यानी कि herbivore वो animal है जो mainly plants और grass खाता है. An omnivore. What is omnivore? It's an animal that eats both meat and plants. यानी कि जब meat available नहीं है वो plants भी खाता है और वो animals भी खाता है. So what we have to do here is we have to classify these animals in the columns shown below. यानी कि यहाँ पे animals दिया हुआ है, हमें उनको carnivore, herbivore and omnivore में classify करना है. तो let us begin. So let us start. First one is leopard. Leopard क्या खाता है? Leopard खाता है only meat. So it comes in carnivore. It comes in carnivore. Then is squirrel. What squirrel eats? Squirrel eats both meat as well as plants. तो squirrel is a omnivore animal. तो आपको third column में लिखना है. Okay? Then is bear. Bear is also a omnivore animal which eats meat and plants. Then the fourth one is zebra. What zebra eats? Can anybody tell? Zebra eats plants and grass. So it is a herbivore animal. The fifth one, rhinoceros. What are rhinoceros? Rhinoceros also eat plants and grass. Shark eats only meat. So we have, it's a carnivore animal. Then is gorilla. What gorilla eats? Can anybody guess? Gorilla also eat plants and grass. So it's a herbivore animal. Then is hyena. Hyena is what? Hyena also eats only meat. Deer. Deer also eat grass and plants, so it comes in herbivore animal. Chimpanzees. What do chimpanzees eat? Chimpanzees eat both meat also and plants also. So we have to write it in omnivore. तो हमें थर्ड कॉलम में लिखना है. Then is crow. Crow also eats meat as well as plants. So it comes in what? It comes in omnivore. Mice. Mice comes in what? Can anybody guess? Mice comes in what? Mice is nothing but mice also is a omnivore because mice eat both. It eats meat also, it eats plants also. And the next one, what it is? It's a kangaroo. Kangaroo is which? It's a herbivore animal. इसका मतलब वो सिर्फ plants और grass खाता है. Then the next one. The next one is giant panda. Giant panda is what? It's a omnivore. It eats meat also. It eats plants and grass also. The next one is vulture. What is vulture? Vulture eats only मीट. सो हमें वल्चर को यहाँ पे लिखना है. पेंगुइन. पेंगुइन भी सिर्फ मीट खाता है, तो हमें वो कार्निवोर एनिमल में लिखना है. एंड द लास्ट वन इज ऑक्टोपस. ऑक्टोपस इज अ ओनली मीट ईटर, नॉट a herbivore, not a omnivore. So we have done with our classification of animals. Animals, let us learn about some sea life. So let us begin. What we are going to learn about the sea life. We are going to do fill in the blanks. The first one, Dash has powerful jaws and a double row of razor sharp teeth. Which is that? It's the alligator. It's nothing but the alligator. Dash, the second one. Dash has been named after the peculiar sword-like shape of its nose. It's the sword fish. What is that? It's the sword fish. The third one. A dash can blow itself up to 3 times its normal size. Which is that? It's the toad. It's the toad. T-O-A-D, toad. The fourth one. Dash is an important commercial fish that is usually found in oceans. Which fish is that? Which is usually found only in the oceans. It's the tuna fish. It's the tuna fish. The fifth one. Dash are sea mammals with beak-like snouts and are popularly known for their acrobatic skills. What are those? Those are dolphin. They have wonderful acrobatic skills. तो हमें क्या लिखना है? हमें लिखना है dolphins. A/an. It's an ant dash has a long snake-like scaleless body that lacks pelvic fins. It migrates from fresh water to salt water to spawn, that is to deposit eggs. Which is that? It is eel. It's a eel. A eel. So हमें यहाँ पे eel लिखना है. E-E-L, ill. Then the seventh one. What is the seventh one? Dash are sea reptiles with a hard shell that encloses their body. Which is that? It's turtles. What is that? It's turtles. The last one. A dash is known for its beautiful color and ability to change its color and shape, and even impersonating the opposite sex. Which is that? It is cuttlefish. It's a cuttlefish. तो सभी को cuttlefish लिखना है. Then we come for name this animals. So we have to name this animals. यानी कि हमें इन animals को नाम देने हैं. So which is that? First one. First one, can you see? It's a prawn. It's a prawn. The next one, it's a fish-like jelly. It's a jellyfish. हम लोग jelly खाते हैं ना, उस तरह की ही fish होती है. That is jellyfish. You have seen horse? Even in water there is a horse which is known as sea horse. तो ये हो गया हमारा sea life topic complete. After sea life, let me take you to extinct animals. So first one, fill in the blanks. So mammoths were elephant-like animals that lived during the Ice Age. So they have asked us who were elephant-like animals that lived during the Ice Age. They were mammoths. Mammoths, okay. So here you need to write mammoths. These creatures had huge curved tusks एंड स्मॉल ईयर्स. टस्क यानी कि यहाँ पे आपको फोटो में दिखाई दे सकता है, यहाँ पे 2 टस्क है इसके. एंड विच हैड स्मॉल ईयर्स. दे हैव स्मॉल ईयर्स एज कम्पेयर टू एलिफेंट्स. एलिफेंट की ईयर्स अगर आप देखोगे तो बहुत बड़े हैं, पर मैमोथ्स के बहुत छोटे हैं. दिस एनिमल्स वे हैवियर एंड हैड मोर हेयर ऑन द बॉडी दैट हेल्प देम टू सर्वाइव कोल्ड वेदर. और इन एनिमल्स के ऊपर बाल बहुत ज़्यादा रहते थे जो उनको सर्वाइव करने के लिए आसानी होती थी. ओके, सो दिस वॉज अबाउट मैमोथ्स. द नेक्स्ट वन इज the dash was flightless bird that inhabited the island of Mauritius one. The answer is dodo. It is dodo. It survived on fruits, nuts and berries. किस पे सर्वाइव करती थी डोडो? It survived on fruits, nuts and berries. The last bird was seen in 1981. तो हमें कब देखी गई थी ये बर्ड? हमें देखी गई थी ये बर्ड 1981 में. It was in which color? It was grey in color with a large hooked beak. यानी कि ये दिख रहा है. This is called as hooked beak. The extinction of this bird is directly related to human activities. And then comes the third one. The dash was the largest deer that had ever lived. कौन सा ऐसा डियर है जो सबसे ज़्यादा सर्वाइव किया था? That is Irish elk. That is what? That is Irish elk. It is believed that the last one died in Ireland 11,000 years ago. ये लास्ट कब देखा गया था? ये लास्ट देखा गया था आयरलैंड में 11,000 years ago. 11,000 years के पहले. It was 7 feet, that is 21 meters tall at its shoulders. यानी कि यहाँ पे shoulders के पास से ये 21 meters tall था. It had antlers that were 12 feet long and weighted up to 40 kg. Antlers यानी कि ये दिख रहा है आपको? This is called as antlers that were 12 feet long and weighted up to 40 kg. And then comes the fourth one. What is the fourth one? The dash was the subspecies of the plain zebra that look like half a zebra and half horse. तो ये स्पीसीज ऐसा है जैसे कि हाफ जेब्रा के जैसा दिखता और हाफ दिखता हॉर्स के जैसा. द लास्ट स्पेसिमन ऑफ द स्पीसी डाइड ऑन ट्वेल्थ अगस्त 1883 एट अ जू एट एम्स्टरडैम. सो ये लास्ट कब देखा गया था? विच वॉज डाइड 12th August 1883 at a zoo in Amsterdam. Hunting played a major role in the extinction of this species. So the answer is quagga. The answer is quagga. Okay. And then comes fifth one. The dash was once one of the largest species of lion. This animal is even depicted in many prehistoric paintings. So ये prehistoric paintings में भी आपको दिखाई देता था. Studies of this remains of this animal has shown that it had a shoulder height of around 1.2 meters and a body length of around 2.1 meter. That is your cave lion. That is what? That is your cave lion. And the sixth one. The auks are believed to be the ancestors of domestic cattle. These animals were 7 feet tall and had long curved horns. ये animal 7 feet tall थे और इनके थे long horns. The last female of this species died in 1627 in the Jaktorow forest, Poland. These animals appear in many prehistoric cave paintings. So ये बहुत सारे पेंटिंग्स में भी दिखाई देता था. And then next comes the is. The dash was one of the most popular Ice Age animals. Like mammoths, there was again an Ice Age animal. Which was that? That was saber-toothed tiger. These animals had two and large canines, 7-inch long, known as saber teeth. These animals were usually 4 to 5 feet long and 3 feet tall in weight, around 200 kg. ये इसकी स्पेशलिटी है सबेर टूटेड, यानी कि इनके बहुत लंबे दांत थे. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन, 8th वन, डैश वेयर वन द मोस्ट कॉमन बर्ड्स इन नॉर्थ अमेरिका, बट merciless hunting and slaughtering led to their extinction. Mass killing reduced their number from 5 billion to 0 in 1900. It could fly up to 96 to 113 kilometers hour. The last bird died at the Cincinnati Zoo on September 1, 1914. So which is that? That is passenger pigeons. So you need to write there passenger pigeons. Okay kids? And then comes the 9th one. Which is the 9th one? The dash was a shiny bright orange toad. It was believed to be the most magnificent looking toad on earth. It was about 5 centimeters 2 inches long. It was found only in Alpine cloud forest on the Cordillera de Tilaran in northern Costa Rica. The last one was seen in 1989 in Costa Rica. So this is known as your golden toad. Which is that? Golden toad, which was shiny and it was orange toad. It was most magnificent looking on earth. Okay, and then comes the dash was a large flightless bird found in the northern hemisphere. It was also known as the penguin of the north. Due to this physical resemblance to the penguin, it had a black and white abdomen. It had a large white patch in front of its eyes. Irrational hunting is the cause of extinction of the bird. So what is the answer? It's the great auk. Great auk. Great auk. So this we completed with our extinct birds. Okay kids, have a good day, take care, and I hope you have understood. Please read and go through the video. Thank you kids, have a good day, be safe, be at home, take care, bye.